everyone, another day, another video, and it's me, Megha, and you guys are watching me on the YouTube channel that is at the rate live with Megha. And this video gonna be a study vlog or a challenge video in which I share my preparation journey for placement. And this is day 3 of the challenge. Thought for today's video is that success does not come from what you do occasionally, it comes from what you do consistently.
Well, this is that question given by my teacher in college, and this question is from TCS Code Beta और ये पहले TCS Code Beta में आ चुके हैं and this is practice question. And अगर मैं ये क्वेश्चन बनाकर नहीं ले जाऊंगी तो वो मुझे खड़े कर देंगे, जो कि मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद. इसलिए मैं सुबह उठकर सबसे पहले इस होमवर्क को कंप्लीट करती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे आज कॉलेज जाना है. एंड यहाँ 9 to 5 आई एम इन कॉलेज. उसके बाद मैं कॉलेज से आती हूँ, देन अपनी स्टडी स्टार्ट करती हूँ. एंड इफ आई हैव टाइम इन द मॉर्निंग देन आई ऑल्सो स्टडी in morning. Well, there are two homework questions. First one is this, and second one is minimum number of coin. For the second question, my code is not working properly, but anyway, at least खड़े होने से तो बच जाऊंगी. कुछ न कुछ solve कर लिया है. Now I am going to college.
Right now, I am in college, and after punch, I am going to take my class. And look, guys, what I see in the ground. They cut all the trees in very hot summer. Right now, I am in class, and look, the kalakari of student on chair. That two hole is converted into puja. P-double-O-J-A.
सेकंड जो हमें याद रखना है इससे रिलेटेड वो थीम याद रखना है. आप सभी देख पा रहे हो.
I'm an audio of the college, and teacher motivates us for our placement. After learning concept, it's time to practice question. This is assignment 1 based on topic recursion, and there is very easy question displayed on the screen, but it is not easy for me. Then I decided to watch DPP solution lecture so that I can solve the question.
इसलिए वाला मेरा यहाँ पे काम हुआ है. एक बार कोड को देखो, ड्राइव खुद कर दो. मैं कर सकता हूँ यहाँ पे, लेकिन आपका कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं होगा. ठीक है, इसको समझो ये क्वेश्चन में क्या हो रहा है.
मुझे कॉन्सेप्ट तो पहले ही नहीं समझ में आ रहा था और सर ने ड्राई रन करके भी नहीं दिखाया. एंड गाइस, देयर इज़ वन टिप फॉर यू. इफ़ यू लर्निंग कोडिंग प्रॉब्लम्स देन प्लीज़ ड्राई रन करो. हर क्वेश्चन का ड्राई रन करो, क्योंकि ड्राई रन नहीं करोगे तो हमारे कॉन्सेप्ट बिल्ड बिल्कुल भी नहीं होंगे. So for good concept building, I give code to ChatGPT and give a prompt to ChatGPT that dry run above code line by line. And well, in English part today, I practice essay, and the topic is digitization and its benefit. So for finding topic, I search on Google essay topic for Capgemini, क्योंकि Capgemini KPIT जैसी कंपनी essay राइटिंग वाली राउंड भी अपने प्लेसमेंट राउंड पे रखती है. सो द कंक्लूजन इज दैट फॉर क्रैकिंग प्लेसमेंट राउंड वी ऑल्सो हैव टू बी एन गुड essay writer, and for this I practice essay on virtual writing tutor. It is a website. Alright guys, so I write essay on virtual writing tutor on the topic digitization and its benefit. And virtual writing tutor is a website which is free website, and it check our essay. It can check word count, it can check grammar, detect chat GPT, check level, it can improve our writing, check topic sentence. Well, I use virtual writing tutor for word count checking and grammar checking. Well, after clicking on word count, I can able to see how many words I write. So there is 213 words, sentence count is 19, and error density is 6.2%. If we check grammar, then it also highlights our grammatical mistake. Well, after clicking on check grammar, there is some grammatical mistake which is done by me, and there is some spelling mistake also, and I correct all the mistakes. And after that again I check grammar, and now after correcting the grammar part, error density is 2% because there is 2 typo mistake is about ebooks. I don't know why it gives this error. Some ethics of online essay writing is that first letter of the sentence should be capital and make sure adding after ending the word, otherwise it will deduct your marks. And after writing essay, I copy it and paste it on ChatGPT and give it prompt that this paragraph is about digitization and its benefit. Is this relevant to topic? Also find error density by words. So ChatGPT said yes, your paragraph is relevant to the topic, and it gave error density of 11.6%, which is very more. In class, my teacher said that in essay writing, your error should be less than 5%. But ChatGPT gives 11.6%. I think there is 6 to 8% of actual error density. ChatGPT also highlights my common error, and this is good way to use chatbot for your growth. Again, I give another prompt to ChatGPT that rate my essay out of 10. Alright, guys. So, this is my today's third day preparation. Well, after coming from college, I'm too tired एंड मेरा बिल्कुल भी पढ़ने का मन नहीं कर रहा था, फिर भी मैंने थोड़ी सी पढ़ाई कर ली सो दैट की कंटिन्यूटी बने रही है. दैट्स फॉर टुडे. कीप शाइनिंग एंड कीप स्माइलिंग. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय बाय.